Well, that's cute. That's a baby too. Come on.
Tyler's not gonna come to you.
I don't care. Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Quack.
Hello.
Quack, quack.
Hello. How you doing?
Quack.
How you doing? Oh, what you do?
There's the new one. It has to hurt, doesn't it?
No.
Come here. Oh, quack, quack.
Hello. Hello. It's a good drink. It's a good drink. No, they're still in their food. That's the
That
name.
came from the sky. These shapes. Come here. Quack. Quack, quack. 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 See, it's coming to me. Quack. No! Look at its feathers.
It's cleaning. It's cleaning itself.
I know. I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about the duck.
I know.
Where'd their mom go?
She's looking for Teresa in the back.
Where's the bathroom? How did I need some bathroom? Number 93, come here. 94. Quack.
I can ride the flamingos.
And my head.
Okay. Yeah, we're right here by these two in the water. Oh, is it?
Tyler's not gonna come to you.
I don't care. Leave me alone.
You're not dogs. You're-
They're like donkeys.
Tyler, stop. Huh? I took a picture. Now I'm taking a video.
That one is weird. It's like that one.
It's a 3-minute video.
They're like sticks. Where are they?
Uh-huh.
I'll try. Standing on one foot. Halt. I need a long one.
Here it comes. Come on. Get over here. Get over here. Tyler, stop. Don't. You'll make him mad.
I'm not making a mess. Come here. I hear the train.
Alright, bye bye birdies. Oh, there you go. Racing. Need for speed. Ah, I beat you. Ha ha. Let's do it again. Ha ha. Beat you, I'm gonna beat you. Woo! Ah, you slow. You slow. Let's go again. Oh yeah. I'm trying to fly. Why can't I fly? Look at my little wings. Oh, look at this. Look at me run. Oh, look at me running. Oh, look at me.
Lancy!
Let's put on a show. Let's put on a show.
Hey. Come here, buddy.
Shoot. Hey, hey, what are you looking at? What are you looking at?
Who are you talking about?
Who are you looking at?
I know. I'm just making them have voices.
Look at that, look at that. Aw, they got in a fight. They got mad. Look, they're fighting.
Mom, there's a duck.
She knows. Tyler, she knows.